So yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy. And right here guys, I have some freshly picked guava, okay guys, which I'm gonna use to make some guava juice. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the top part and the bottom part of the guava. As you can see, they're wet. That means my guava, they're already washed. Please guys, wash your fruits and vegetable before consuming. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my guava in smaller pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my blender just like that. This juice is pretty easy to make guys, and it's super refreshing. Okay, let me go ahead and use another guava. Okay, guys, look how beautiful the guava is. Wow, it's smelling so sweet guys. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pour some water in my blender just like so. Okay, and right here guys, I have a piece of ginger, okay, already peeled. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this. Okay guys, enough of the blending. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and strain. So yes guys, you can choose the size strainer or the size sieve that you want to use, but as you can see my sieve is very fine, so that means I will be having less fiber in my drink. Wow, the ginger is smelling awesome in this drink guys. So yes guys, I'll be using some granulated sugar. I'll be using a little bit of granulated sugar to sweeten, okay guys? You can use the sweetener of your choice, okay guys? And here we go guys, our guava juice is ready. Wow. Let me show you how thick this juice is guys. This juice is just awesome. Wow. Let me go ahead and taste this drink, guys. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful, guys. I'm loving it. Wow. This guava juice is so nutritious. So if you have guava at home, guys, please go ahead and make this nutritious juice. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, be safe, and I'll catch you in another video pretty soon. Goodbye.